Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something that's been requested, and I'm finally doing it. And yeah, so I'm sorry guys, I didn't vlog yesterday. I was super busy, and yeah, like the whole day I was doing stuff for the party and this stuff. I also did this. So anyway, also the shout out for commenting is Clever E. Sanchez. Happy shout out day. So make sure you guys comment below so you guys can get a shout out. And I'm going to start giving more than one person a shout out, so make sure you comment. If you guys didn't comment on like the video previously, but you comment on another video like a day or two ago, then that still counts, but make sure you guys let me know and I'll do it. So anyway, you guys are probably wondering what I'm about to do, and I'm about to be showing you guys at my top slimes. This has been requested by Clever 2, not Clever 2, like just it's been requested by Clever, so we're gonna be finally doing it. So yeah, okay. So I'm gonna show you. So let's get right on to the video. So this is the first one, and its name is Galaxy Shine, and I really like it. It looks like a galaxy to me, and then there's like a little shine in it. It's a little bit sticky, but this is how it looks like. It's really fun and stretchy. My cousin was about to throw this away, but I'm like, no, I'll just keep it. And she said, okay. So let's do some slime poking. Throughout the video, I'll be doing some slime poking and stuff like that. So that was Galaxy Shine. So it's time for the second one, which is this one. I think I made her yesterday. So that's it. Let me take it out. So this is the slime, and the name of the slime is Pink Rose. I don't know why, but I like roses. Like I don't like certain. I like all types of roses, even if they're like, and like look at that. And I named it Pink Rose because like pink. This is the color pink, and one of my favorite flowers is a rose. So I decided that was a good name. So let's do some slime poking. So that was Pink Rose. And now it's time for the next one. So here's the next one. The name of this slime is Blue Mist, like a mist. Like, I don't know how to pronounce it. This is the sound of it. It's super fun and stretchy. The poking sounds are not really loud, but I like the color. I made it yesterday, I think. I don't know. I think I did, but I don't know. Then the next one is this one. And I don't know what to name it. So I'm going to let you guys name this one. So yeah. stuff keeps on moving. Right, so you guys get to name this unknown one. It's so stretchy and fun to play with. And there's a lot of sparkles in there. So you guys get to name this one, and if you guys, in the next video, I'll give you guys a shout out and what you guys thought the name was. So, and then whoever I get the shout out and thought the name was, that's the name of this mystery slime. So I'm gonna do mystery slime. I'm gonna write it down right here. Okay. I'm writing some notes. Next I have this pink one, and I really like this one because it's like a bubble gum, and that's the name of it, like bubble gum. Like, it's because it's like a hubba bubble gum. Because look at how bright and pretty this is. And yeah. So that's the bubble gum. Oh yeah. Some slime poking. I don't think we did slime poking from the last one. I don't know, maybe. I forgot already. So that was that. So that one's bubble gum. And this next one is a purple one. It's really huge. And I don't even know if I can hold it all. It's a little bit heavy, but I'm only going to show you guys some of it because there's a lot of it. And I don't want to go all back in and stuff like that. So this name of the slime is called, it's like something with it's called Purple Sunshine. Even though it's not really like a sunshine, it's just like purple and it's glittery, and I like sunshine. So it's Purple Sunshine. And that wasn't something that my sister wrote. This is my only purple slime. Just saying. I have lots of pinks and blues, but this is my only purple slime. And if I get to... What was that? Oh, I keep on running over my toy from my little sister's birthday party. If this video gets to 10 likes, or a little like a 5-ish, 5 or 10 likes, I'll take a little bit of each of my slimes and mix it together. And if you guys also really want me to do that, comment hashtag mix slimes, and then I will do it if a lot of people want me to do it. So I'll mix my slimes if you guys want me to. I really like this because stuff keeps on falling. There's something right there. It's really stretchy and it's fun. It's just no, it's really stretchy. That's fun. So that was the blue one, and this one is gonna be named. I really know the name of it. I just forgot. I don't know. The name of it will be down below. It'll be down below. And all their names will be down below in the right order. So it started off with the first one and moved to this one, which was last. So yeah, hope you guys like this video and give a big thumbs up. And if you guys want me to mix some of the slime, hashtag mix slimes, and I will try to make it happen. And I will do it. So I'm gonna do it as best as I can. So yeah, give a big thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. Make sure to comment too so you guys can get a shout out, and let's get this to 5 or 10 likes.